Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Aditya. How are you, everyone? All fine? Very good. Good morning, Zarin, Bithika, Shachit, Priyanshu. Good morning. Very good. Good morning, Anik. So, this is your science class, and today we will start the new chapter, and this is your 5th chapter at page number 20. So, open it, your book at page number 20, and this is about keeping clean and fit. So, you already learned about the safety of on road or in home, right? So we learned about those safety, how we maintain it, how we follow it. But today we will also learn about the keeping clean and fit. At this time and this situation, we all have to keep clean and fit, right? So, today we will discuss about that, how we can keep ourselves clean and fit. So, let's start. Open your book fast. So, good health helps us to stay active and strong. If you have good health, you can stay active and you can stay strong. You know, right, that if we eat food, that food keeps us healthy. From the previous chapter, you learned that we have to take our food properly, and those food keeps us healthy. There are different types of foods. You know that some foods keeps us healthy, some foods give energy, and some foods strength, right? Like that, those among the for the good health, if we have good health, we can stay active and strong. That's why we have to eat our food properly, and we can be fit also. If we have good health, we can be fit also. So, we should keep ourselves clean. First, we have to keep ourselves clean, and we have to exercise daily in the morning or in the evening. So, we have to exercise it, because exercise is most important things which keeps us healthy and fit. Okay, so you have to do it and in the morning, and have good food habits. I told you, right? And you already learned from the previous chapter that good food habits keeps us healthy, and good food habits keeps us strong and fit also, right? So we have to maintain the good food habits and sleep well, and we have to sleep 8 to 9 hours in a day, because it keeps us healthy. If there is a lack of sleeping time, it keeps unhealthy to us. So that's why we have to sleep 8 to 9 hours in a day. Okay. So you can see there is the main 4 things. Here the 4 options. which keeps us healthy. Those 4 things we have to follow this, we have to maintain it regularly. Okay. So, it keeps ourselves clean. First one is keeps ourselves clean by bathing or brush, and we have to wear the dresses, clean dresses also, because it also keeps us clean. And those exercise we have to do it in the morning or evening. Those exercises very important for our health. It keeps us fit, it keeps us strong, and obviously good food habits. Obviously good food habits, because proper habit of food and proper food keeps us healthy. If we eat a lots of vegetables and fruits, you know it keeps us healthy, right? That's why we have to eat the proper food. We have to avoid those junk food or fast food. Okay? So, they keep us healthy. And the sleeping time, you have to sleep 8 to 10 hours in a day, 8 to 9 hours in a day. So, sleep well. And we have to discuss about the keeping clean, how we keep clean ourselves, because you can see your first points here, we have to keep ourselves clean. So, you have to know that how we keep clean ourselves. That's why we have to follow some rules, we have to follow some method. Sorry. So, dear, did you everyone open your book? Very good. So, keeping clean helps us stay away from dirt and germs. That I told you that we have to wear some clean dresses, right? We have to wear clean dresses which keeps us the germless. That's why, and obviously in these situations, in these pandemic situations, obviously we have to clean ourselves and at every time. So, we have to wear the clean dresses and some ways to keep clean here. So, we should know this and we have to follow this obviously, and you are good child, right? And you all can follow this. So, brush your teeth every day in the morning and at night. We have to brush our teeth twice in a day, right? We have to brush our teeth, twice in a day. Okay. And when will you brush in the day? Do you know the time? In the morning and at night, in 2 times. In the morning when we wake up and at night when we go for bed. Those times we have to clean our tooth. We have to brush our teeth. And if we didn't brush it, there are many germs will be there. Okay. So, that's why we have to keep clean our teeth. Very good, Shachit, morning and night. Zari, maybe it's your net problem. You can wait or you can cut the call and you can join again. Okay. So, and the next point is wash your hands with soap and clean water before and after meal. You know this, right? This is a good food habit. This is the good habit which we have to follow this. So, the wash our hands before and after meal. when we take our meal at lunch time or dinner time or breakfast time or any when we take food, when we take snacks also. So, at first we have to wash our hands with hand wash also, with soap or with hand wash and clean water also. So, at the before of the meal we have to wash our hands, and after meal we have to wash our hands with this, because if we didn't wash our hands, in our hands there will be more germs, right? There will be more germs and it can go our stomach. So, we have to we have to wash our hands before and after meal. Very good, Priyanshu. So, now you have the another one, that is comb our hair properly. We have to comb our hair properly and oil it if it's dry. When our hair will be dry, we have to oil our hair. It keeps our hair healthy also, right? Oil keeps our hair healthy. That's why this is also our parts of our body, right? So, this is our also a beauty. So, we have to keep it clean, our hair. We have to clean our hair and we have to keep it clean every time, regularly. That's why we have to comb our hair regularly. Okay. Very good, Zarin. So, this is also a habit to keep us clean, keep us fresh. And the next is the bath daily with soap and clean water. Bath daily with soap and clean water. Did you all bath daily? You have to bath daily, right? Because it also makes us fresh. When we bath it, after that we feel fresh, right? That's why we have to bath daily with clean fresh water. And obviously we have to use soap because it removes those dust, removes those germs. That's why we have to use it. And the next is use a handkerchief when we sneeze or cough. When we get cold in this time, when we have cough, cold and cough, that time when we can sneeze at any time, right? So, we have to use those handkerchief with us, and that time we have to use handkerchief. You know, when you came to school, you always carry a handkerchief with you, right? At everywhere you go, at in home also, when you going to sneeze, that time you have to use the handkerchief. And of course, Ahona, this will be uploaded. So, you can see, or otherwise we will make the offline videos and you can follow this also, okay, in the from tomorrow those you can follow those offline videos also. So, if you have problem you can say me here. And the other is the nail clippers. We have to cut our nails. You know, right, that we don't have to we don't have to keep the big nails, because it is harmful also for us or for another one. So, and here in our those nails there will be some dirt also. That's why we have to clean our nails and we have to cut it when it grows. So, ask an adult to cut our nails with nail clippers. You can to ask your parents also to cut your nails by nail clippers, because we can't keep those big nails. It cause the harm and there will be some dirt and germs. And if we when we eat with our hand, those germs and those dust go in our stomach. That's why it's not a very harmless, right? That's why we have to clean our nails and we have to cut our nails by nail clippers, and not you don't do this by your own. Tell your parents if your nails grow up, so tell your parents to cut your nail. Okay, so please don't do this alone or don't do this by yourself. Yes, Aditya, by nail clippers, and change and wear clean clothes daily. After bath, you have to wear the fresh clothes, the clean clothes, right? So that time you have to wear it fresh clothes, and when those dress will be dirty, that time we have to change it. We have to wash it, and first we have to change it, then we can wash it by any detergent. So these things keeps our clothes clean and fresh, and obviously we have to clean this with fresh water. Okay, so those keeps our clothes clean. And never pick our nose with a finger. Never pick your nose with finger. This is a very bad habit, right? And it can causes it makes the blood will release from those from there. So we don't have to pick our nose with a finger. Okay, with a finger. And the next is rinse mouth with water after eating. You have to rinse your mouth when take your meal. After the meal, you have to rinse your mouth with fresh water, because if there are some points of the food or the some germs will be there also. So that's why we have to rinse our mouth with fresh water. Okay. So here today you will learn about the how we keep ourselves clean. So I will tell you once again that how we keep ourselves clean and how we can stay fit and strong. You know that we have to keep ourselves clean, right? Keep ourselves clean, and we have to exercise daily, because this is very important for our health, and it keeps us fit, and have a good food habit, because you know that proper food keeps us healthy. Proper vegetables, proper fruit, if we eat it, it keeps us healthy. So the good food habits we have to maintain it. And sleep well. Sleep well, that in the 8 to 9 hours in a day we have to sleep. Okay, so if we sleep well, it keeps us healthy. Okay, Anik, I will repeat once again here. So listen it, and you'll be understand. So first one is brush our teeth every day in the morning. This is the first point of keeping clean. How we keep ourselves clean, and here is the some points we have to know this, we have to maintain this, follow this regularly. Okay, so first one is that brush our teeth every day in the morning and the night. This is the first one, we have to maintain it. We have to brush ourselves twice in a day, and the next is wash our hands with soap and also hand wash and clean water, and it keeps ourselves clean. And we have to wash our hands before and after take some food. Okay, and the next third one is comb our hair properly with oil if it's dry. if our hair will be dry, that time we have to oil it properly and we have to comb our hair regularly, okay, regularly. And the fourth one is, that bath daily with soap and clean, bath daily with soap and clean. And the next 5 is, listen on it very carefully. The 5, we have to use the handkerchief when we sneeze or cough. When we get cold and cough, that time we have to we can be sneeze anywhere, okay. So we have to take handkerchief with us, and when we going to sneeze, that time we have to use those handkerchief, and this is keep us clean. And if we can't use those handkerchief, those germs of you will be spread anywhere to anyone. That's why we have to use handkerchief when we going to sneeze. Did you understand, Anik? And the next one is, ask an adult to cut our nails with nail clippers. You can ask your parents also to cut your nails if it grow up by nail clippers. And the 7th one is, change and wear clean clothes. That's very important. After bath, you can wear, you have to wear the clean clothes, or if those clothes were not clean, you have to change it again. And next is, never pick our nose with finger. This is very bad habit if you pick your nose with finger, okay. So never do this. And the last one is the 9th one is, rinse mouth with water after meal. After when you take your food, take your snacks or anything, after that you have to rinse it. After any kind of meal or any kind of tiffin, when you take it, you have to rinse your mouth, otherwise there will be germs in our mouth, okay. So you have to learn today, you already learned about the keeping clean, how we keep ourselves, okay. So read this page, at page number 20, read this, that how we keep ourselves clean. Read this, you can remember this, and you have to follow this, okay. So read it very attentively at your home. And today that's all. Have a nice day, students. Bye everyone.